Okay, so welcome back to my screen. I'm excited to have you here. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a delivery courier tracking logistics website, whatever you want to call it. Some call it a delivery website, some call it a tracking website, some call it a courier website, some call it whatever. What else? Delivery company website, whatever you call it. This is what it is. Right, so I'm going to be showing you in this video how you can make this beautiful amazing delivery website, fully robust, fully functional, fully responsive. Everything works perfectly. All right, so I'm going to be showing you how to make this in a heartbeat. So you can see I'm just checking out the site. You can see the map here showing the company location. You can see the chat bot, that clients can use to chat you up. They just send a message here and you get it on your mobile phone, your application, or on your computer. All right, this will also show you the country they are chatting you from, the device they are using, and some other information that you'll be needing. All right, so this is your fully functional logistics website. All right, this is where you track the package. Click on it. I've clicked on it, and let's wait for it to load up. So this is where you can track your package. They can click on track package and it will bring them here, and they simply put in the tracking number and it will track their package. I'll show you how that works later on. I'll show you the tracking, consignment, invoice, and the receipt later on. So first of all, let me welcome you to the Chidi Adele money making websites series, where we give you access to already made websites. We give you access to our database of already made websites. Depending on the one you want to make, we'll give you access to it. So what you simply do is to update it, and tweak it and deliver it to your clients. What do I mean by this? We are trying to help more people make money online in 2022, and one of the easiest ways to make money online, one of the fastest and easiest ways to make money online really, is by making websites. Right, that is one way you can make quick 6 figures online. What do I mean? This website is, you can charge from 900,000 naira to, from 90,000 naira to 150,000 to make a delivery, courier, shipping, tracking, logistics website. Imagine that you make 2 or 3 of this in a month. That is around 300 to 450,000 naira for you, easy peasy, right? So that is what we are talking about. And you do not have to really have web design skills or learn web development or web design to be able to do that. We have already done the hard work. We have done 90% of the work. All you have to do is to get a client. When you get your client, you get access to this. We'll give you access to this website already made. All you have to do is to get a domain and hosting and upload it to the internet. Upload it to World Wide Web, www. Make it available online and deliver the work to your client. Your client pay you and you walk away. As simple as that, right? So another way you can make money online through website design is, there are many people looking for website design services. So what you can do is get this job, get the gig, get the job, bring it to us. We will do the work and send you the site. You deliver it to the owner and you pay us our percentage, right? That is quickly how you can actually also make money online without doing anything with using web design and web development. All right, so that is how you can make money online. That is how we want to help more people make money online via website design. All right, so I've created steps that we will use to achieve this website, that is this website, right? So the first step is to get our domain and hosting. Get your domain and hosting. What is domain and what is hosting? So domain is, you can see here, docs.google.com. this is the domain. All right, whatever your site name is bearing, www.whatever.com is the name of the site. All right, it's the domain of the site. And hosting is where the site lives on the internet. Hosting is where the site lives on the internet, right? So without a hosting, there cannot be a domain. Without a domain, there cannot be a hosting. It is just like without a land, you cannot have your building. Without your land, you cannot have your building. All right, domain and hosting is where you build your website online. All right, so I would recommend that you use bluehost.com to get your domain and hosting, and I'm going to show you how you can go about that in a heartbeat. All right, so bluehost.com. Why do I recommend bluehost.com? They are fast, efficient, and secured. And you can use the link on my description. You can use the affiliate link on my description. When you use the link on my description, you're going to get access to a whole lot of discounts. You're going to get up to 75% discount, and you're going to get a free domain for your first hosting. You're going to get these discounts and a free domain for your first domain, a free domain for your first year actually, right? So I would recommend that you use this, and they have experts 24/7 support. So whenever you encounter any challenge while making your site, you can simply contact them and they will help you out immediately, right? That is one of the reasons why you should actually use Bluehost, right? It is efficient, you will just love it. All right, so let me click on host your site, and it's loading right now. All right, so this is their pricing. You can see that. Now this is their basic and their plus plan, and these are the two I'm going to be recommending for you. I think that these ones will serve you for the purposes that you're going to be using it for. Especially this one will allow you to create more than one website. So if you're going to be doing this as a business for yourself, if you're going to be doing this for as a business for people and also for yourself, really, I would advise that you get these unlimited ones. At least you can host around 10 websites on this, okay? And you can see that the price differences are not much. All right, the price differences are not much, okay? Then if you're going to be hosting just one website, then you can use this. And for the purposes of this video, we are going to be using this. So you click on select, and it brings you here where you can put in your domain name. Remember we talked about domain names, so you can put in your domain name here, or you can put in if you already have a domain name that you bought somewhere else, you can simply put it in here, right? And then click on next, then point it to this hosting account. But for this video we are going to be using this, so let me just select this name. It's a random regular name. So you select an extension you want to use. You have different extensions: .com, .net, .org, .online, .site, .website. So whatever you want to use, whatever suits you, that is fine. But for the purpose of this video, we are going to be using .com. So we click on next, and wait for it to load up. Okay, it is available. So we are going to fill in these details. So when you put on your own, depending on the name that you want to use, if it says it's unavailable or it's already been given to somebody else, it is fine that you go back and select another name. But in the case that it's available, then you come back here, scroll down and fill this form. All right, fill this form, put your first name and all of those. But as a matter of fact, I would want to notice that this, you must not really put your information, your given name and your real information here, especially if you're creating this for a client. All right, but make sure that the email address you're going to be putting here is valid and you have access to it. Okay, because they are going to be sending you details that you're going to be needing for your account. When you're done making payments, they will actually send you your login details to your email. So it is very, very important that the email address you're going to be putting here works and you have access to it. All right, so you can see here that the total due we're going to be paying here is $33, and this is for 12 months. Make sure that this is at 12 months. All right, and let's go down. Now you can see something is happening here. This is now $116, and we don't want it to be this high, and it is this high because they have added these extras and you don't need it. So let us quickly remove these extras that they've added. Let's uncheck them. This page is still loading, so all right, we're back at $33 now. So you quickly scroll down and put your account, your ATM card details here. Put in your ATM card details here, you know, and you scroll down and click on I have read the terms and conditions and I am okay with it. So you click on this and click on submit. So when you click on submit, they will immediately send you your login details to your email address, and the login details is especially the login details to your cPanel. cPanel is called control panel, and that is where you will manage everything that concerns your hosting and your domain from. All right, your cPanel, your control panel. All right, now let me quickly go to my control panel and show you what control panel looks like and how you can be able to start building out this website. But before I go there, let me go back to our checklist and see what we have done so far. So far we've been able to get our domain and hosting. Now the next step is to log into our cPanel. So let me go and to the cPanel right about now. All right, so this is my cPanel and yours should look like something like this. But if in case yours doesn't look like this, then no worries, no shaking. It is all almost the same process, right? They always behave alike. Okay, it's the same things but different looks. All right, so the first thing we're going to be doing now is to create an email account. You can see there, create an email account. I'm going to be leaving the link to this document on my description too, so that you can also use it to build out your own. So create an email account. So let me come here, and you can see that the first thing I'm seeing here is to create an email account, right? So if your own is not showing create an email account here, quickly come here and click type email. So when you type email, it will show you this email accounts. All right, so when it shows you email accounts, you quickly click on it and it will take you to the email account. But let me go back and quickly click on this one. All right, so for you, you're going to be seeing just one domain here. I'm going to be seeing more domains because I have more domains here. So let's create an email account real quick. So let me use something like support. Since it is a delivery site, it is especially important that you use support or customer care or admin or something related to that, then you come here and click on generate password. You quickly copy this password and go and save it on your notepad. Open your notepad and save it. After saving it, you click on create. All right, and immediately they will create an email account for you. So our email account is going to be called support@tutorials.com. Tutorial.com. All right, so that is our email address. Then let's go back to the cPanel, and while we're going back to the cPanel, let's find out the next step. So the next step is for us to upload our script. And before we upload our script, we have to do something very, 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 very important. And it is to install WordPress on our domain. WordPress is the CMS that we are going to be using to build out our shipping website. All right, so let us come back here and see what I'm actually looking for. Softaculous app installer. But in case you are not seeing your own right here, quickly come here and type Word. All right, Word. Click on WordPress Manager. Okay, or you type soft and it'll bring you here. All right, so you click on Neat. Then you come here and you select install. So we are here now. We are supposed to be seeing just one domain here, but I'm seeing more than one domain. So let me select the one I'm gonna be using. Right, then you come here and this is password. This is where you're going to put your admin name and username and password. So let me quickly change this from admin to support. So you can change this to a password that you can remember, change this to a username that you can remember, but please make sure that this is strong enough, that both of them are strong enough so that your site will be very safe. All right, then you come down here. You can also put your email address here again. Then you click on install. Click on install, and it's going to take some time to install, so let us wait for it to quickly install. Let's wait for it to quickly install. So while we're waiting for it, my WhatsApp number is my WhatsApp link is on the description below. So in case you have any challenge, you are free to reach out to me. In case for any reason you cannot be able to build the website for yourself, you can also reach out to me. And remember, we have already built the site. We're just going to give you access to the already made site for you to tweak. But for any reason that you cannot do it yourself, quickly reach out to us and we will hook you up. All right, we just want to help you succeed online, especially in 2022. All right, so while we're waiting for that, for our website to load up, this is a real information I want to pass across to you. All right, so we are at 81% now, so count down to our WordPress being fully installed. We are 90% and we are here. Our WordPress site is fully installed. So let me go straight to admin. Oh, I'm supposed to show you something right there. So while that is loading up, here is the URL to your website. That's your website URL, remember? And this is the admin. So when you click on here, it will take you to the administration panel of your website. Okay, so let us quickly scroll down and see if there's any other information that we will be needing here. So there's no information, as you can see. All right, so these are the basic things that you need. And also you're supposed to get an email giving you access to these details also, right? The email should also bear your password and your login details. Okay, so let us wait for this to quickly load up. So we here now. This is our WordPress. You can see welcome to WordPress here. This is where we are going to start building out our website from. All right, this is where we're going to be building our website from. So real quick, we are going to have to install what is called plugin. We're going to install a plugin right now. So what is a plugin? A plugin is an application, a software that if you install it on your WordPress, it will help improve the functionality of your site, or it actually does something to your helps you achieve something with your website. I'm looking for a perfect example to use right now. Okay, let me use this example. So you buy a car, and maybe it is a it is you want it to run faster, but the engine it came with cannot allow it to run faster. Maybe you want a V6 engine instead. So you can go to the market and buy a V6 engine and put in your car, or you buy a car and you want to wrap it, or you want to do the body work and stuff like that. All of those are features that you're adding to the site, so, to the car. So you are simply plugging in some of those features into your car. So that is the same thing with here. We are going to be getting a plugin that is going to help us to achieve something. Now, what is that plugin going to help us to achieve? The plugin is going to help us to get the already made website, and transfer it here, and then remove the logo, put our own logo, remove the name, put our own name, and deploy the site to our client, right? That is as simple as it can be. So let us quickly go and get the plugin. So you come here, hover around here. But before I do that, let me show you how this website looks like right now. So let me view this and show you how this website looks. Alright, you can see that this is, you can see how this looks. It is just an empty canvas. There's really nothing here. There's really nothing here. Okay, so let me come back. Let's come back to the dashboard and let's go and install our plugin, and we will see what is going to be happening in the website in a bit. So let us go back to our dashboard. And if you're getting value from this video so far and you are yet to click the subscribe button, you are yet to click the like button, I encourage you to do that right now. Do that right now, and go to the comment section and type WordPress. Go to the comment section and type WordPress so that YouTube will know that we're talking about WordPress in this video. So go to the comment section and type WordPress. Okay, WordPress. So you come here and hover to install plugins. You come here and go to add new. Okay, add new. Remember, click on the subscribe button, like, share this video to anybody you think that will need it, and also comment on the comment section, say WordPress. Alright, so let us upload the plugin, but let me show you the plugin we're going to get first off. So the name of the plugin is All-in-One. Alright, this is the plugin right here. No, not that one, this one. Okay, so that is the plugin we're going to install, but I'm not going to install this one. Or let's just use this one. Let me see if this one will work what I wanted to do. Let's just give it a try, but if it doesn't, then we will go and use the one I want to use already. So let's just try this one out and see if it works. Okay, the plugin is installed. Let's quickly delete some of the plugins that are here that we are not actually using. So let's delete these ones. Delete this and delete this. Alright, so they are deleted. Now let's hover on the plugin and come here. You can see, let's go to import, because we are going to be importing that WordPress, this WordPress site. We're going to be importing it, so let's go to import. We'll come here and click on this menu, click on file, click on file. I hope that you're learning something today. I hope that you're getting value from this video. So you click on file, it's loading. Then we will come to desktop. Let me come to desktop. I will give you access to the file, to this file, so that I'll give you access to where I will save this file so that you can immediately use it to do what you want to do. So open here and select this, open. So it is loading, right? So we're going to allow this to get to 100. Alright, so I'm going to have to pause this video and come back when this reaches 100. Alright, so let me quickly pause the video and come back when it's up to 100. Alright, so we're here now. The file has fully uploaded. So the next thing we're going to do now is to click on proceed, and we wait for it to complete the restoration, and it is complete. Then we click on finish. Alright, but before I click on finish, I want to note something to you. Once we are done with this now, they are going to log us out from this website. You know why? Because this website has changed from what it used to be to almost this. Alright, to this. In fact, all the details have been transferred to this. So the password you set before and the username you set before will be changed, will be erased. Alright, will be erased. So let me click on finish. Then let me go to permalinks. Permalinks setting, and we've been logged out. So let us update our WordPress. Click on continue. They will ask us to log in now. You can see they've logged us out, and you can see the name of our WordPress website has changed. You can see the name has changed. So let me quickly close this. Let me quickly close this, come back here and go back to login. So it's loading. So we are back to our website. You can see real simple, real quick how we've done that. All right. You can see it is done. All right. So let me do something real quick. So let me. You remember I what is it called? I how this website was looking the other time. Now I'm going to be showing you how this website is looking now. So let us see if there's been any difference made. So let me click on visit site. Visit site is loading, and you can see that our website has been, let me close this one. Our website has been uploaded completely. Our website has been uploaded completely. You can see our website has been uploaded completely. Okay, and remember that you can charge from 90,000 to 150,000 naira to make this website for your clients. And we have many websites that we've done just like this one that we're also going to be showing you how to do and how you can make money real quick from them. So our website has fully uploaded. So let us check it. Let's check. Okay, this one is there. All right, this one. All right. This is reliability, all of those stuff. Okay. Um, so you can see it's beautiful and missing, and I will show you the one thing that is missing. Okay, our map is here, our chat bot is here, our translate is here, right? Right, so we are going to get our slider and bring it back to how it's supposed to be. So let's go back to the dashboard. Okay, we're back to our dashboard now. So let's go to plugins. Let's go to plugins and go to installed plugins. Installed plugins. All right. So let's quickly scroll down, and this is the plugin we're looking for. So these are different plugins that do different. Right. This is that one we used um, to move this site here, to upload this site here. So we can, but let us go and activate the slider. So we'll come back here and click on activate. So that slider will be active. I'm gonna click on activate, and it is loading. This is that live chat, and it is activated. So we've activated the slider. Let's check if it's working now. Let's go back and visit the site. So it's loading. Let's give it some minutes, maybe some seconds to load up. Okay. From what we've seen here, you can see that the slider has been activated, but it's still loading. So let's give it some time. And it is looking good, right? So you can see that that works. You can see how simple that was, right? So we are quickly going to customize, tweak, and update this site to look like your site. All right, so we're going to remove the logo, put your logo, remove the names of the company, put your own name, remove some of the details that are here, and to suit whatever name, whatever logo you want to put in there. All right, so let us go to the dashboard. Let's go back to the dashboard, and let me show you how to do some of these things real quick. Alright, so we're back to the dashboard now. So the next thing we're going to do is to go to appearance. So we're going to go to appearance and hover around it. It's still load. Let's give it a minute. Alright, hover around it and then you come to customize and you click on customize. So it's loading. Let's give it some time to load. I think network is getting slower. Alright, so this is the place we're going to customize some of the things on this front page now. So the first thing we're going to go to is to the general settings. So click on here and click on general settings. Then you go to site identity. You click on this. Then you change the name of the site. Let me change this name to something else. To tutorial. Then you can change the tagline to whatever you need, or you can leave it this way. It doesn't really matter. Then you come down. This is where you're going to change the site icon. Site icon. This is what site icon means. This image you're seeing here, this logo you're seeing here, is what is called a site icon. So let's come here and click on change. So let's go to upload. So let's go to our computer and find a picture that we can put in there. So let us just find a picture. Let me just take this. Right, let me just take this and put it up in there. And then click on select. Click on crop image. And you can see it has been added here. Right? So, alright, so that is that. Let's come here and click on publish. Then we'll go back. Okay, let me show you this. You can actually change some of the settings like the typography, the layout of the layout settings, the background. But I'm not gonna touch those right now. But you can actually take your time and tweak test and tweak and see what works for you, right? So this is where you do the header format, the header of your site, the format. All right, this is where you take the primary menu bar. This is the primary menu bar. This is where you change some of the settings. You can change the link, the active link. This is the active link. You can change this color from red to black, right? You can change the background color to white or something else, or red. Let me do that right now so you can see how that looks. So you can see that this has turned to white, right? So you can change that to white. You can also change the text color to black. Oh, sorry about that. Let me close that. Okay, you can change the text. You can change the text color to blue since the black is giving us issues, right? So you can change the text color to blue. You can see. So whatever you want to do, feel free to take your time here and get creative. You know, right? So let me go back and click on publish. Then let's go back. So secondary menu bar, you can actually also do whatever you want to do here. Right back, header element. So here you can put in your company number. Here you can put in your company email address. All right. You can see that automatically our email address was imputed there, right? So you can change this if you have another email address you want to put there, or change the phone number and put your phone number. All right. So that is that with this section. So let's go back and go to footer. Click on footer. Um, Bottom bar footer. So this is what we are going to be working on now. This we're going to be changing some things here. So we can change this date to 2022. We can change this to our company name. So change this to whatever is your company name and click on publish, and you can see it's changed already, right? So that is all we have to do then for this section. So let's go back. Let's hit publish again. I don't know what it's saying. Alright, so it's saved now. So let's close this. So the next thing we're going to do now is to change this logo. Let's change the logo and put in our own company logo. So we'll scroll down to Divi. Divi is a page builder. So Divi is the page builder we use to build this website. We're going to be using to build this website. So let's click on Divi, go to Divi options and click on it. Alright, so we are here now. Then we'll click on reset. Alright, we'll click on reset. Then come back here, click on upload. Then you can actually also go back and select a picture you want to use for your logo, or use this one that you already set up as your site icon. So let's click on select on up, and then we'll scroll way down and click on save changes. So our website logo has been changed. Now the next thing we're going to be doing is to change the pages of our website, change the names on those pages and all of those stuff. So let's work on that now. Let's go to all pages. All pages. So we are here now. Let's first of all start with the home page. So come and hover around this, then you click on edit. So it's loading. Let's let it load up. So let's quickly click on build on front end. So we're here. So let's quickly scroll down. You come here and then you change this. You click on it. You double tap on it. Okay. I don't know. It's taking us back. Alright. So you double tap on this. Alright. So this is open. You scroll down. They will change the name. Right. Let me make it fit. Alright. So you click on this to save. Then you come here, hover around this. Then you click on save. Alright. This is quite very important. Alright. It's saved. So let's scroll down and look for somewhere else that they mentioned the name of the company. Alright, you can see that here. Also click on it. Remove this and put the name of your own company. Okay, scroll down, look for where else they put the name of the company. I don't think they put it anywhere else. So that is basically all you have to do with that. You click on save. Alright, so that is that for this. You can also remove any section you don't like. You can change the color of any section. You can change the color of any section. That section, right? Feel free to be creative with this. Alright, feel free to be creative with that. Change whatever you want to change and all of that. But take a deeper look at what we have done here and replicate it in the other pages. And I do not think that to the dashboard. Let me now show you how to create your consignment. Right, let me show you how to create your consignment real quick. So the next thing we're going to do now is to let me show you how to create an invoice, your shipment, consignment, and all of those stuff. Um, so these are the two sections or two menus that you're going to use to create it. Right, the first one is WP Cargo. Right, we are going to actually do a little bit of some settings here. So let's go to general settings. So this is the plugin that controls the shipping and the cargo logistics tracking whatever. Okay, this is the plugin that controls that. So let us quickly change the logo. You come here and change this logo. This logo is actually the logo that will show on your shipping invoice and your shipping receipt. Alright, so we're going to change it because the one that is here right now is the one of the old company. So we're going to change it to the new one. So let's quickly click on this and click on select. Alright, please, that is the only thing we're going to be doing here. Do not do any other thing here if you're not sure what you're doing to avoid stories that touch. Okay, font size, let's take this to 11, right? I think that's pretty much all we have to do here. So let's click on save changes. Our changes is set. Alright, so let's go back to shipments. Let's go to all shipments. So let me show you what this looks like, what the shipment looks like when you create it, what it actually looks like. So let me click on this right now. Okay, so here is where you will set the shipment. Alright, this is what it looks like creating the shipment. Alright, so we're going to really create a new shipment real quick. So let me click on add shipment. So add shipment. So let's give this shipment a title. So let's name it win 232452. Alright, win 3452. That's an amazing shipment. So the name of the shipper name, um, let's use any name. Let's use Fanman. Alright, receiver name. Let's use something English. So let's use Hope. Alright, so you can put the phone number here. Put any phone number here. Alright, that page just reloaded right there. So let's continue. Alright, whatever phone number, put any address. Amsterdam address. Okay, let's use Kuwait. Email. So let's use the company email or any email at all can work. Email, any email. Then type of shipment. Is it going to be air freight? Is it going to be international shipping, truckload or van? So let's use air freight. Weight, you put any weight. Packages, you name the package. Product, payment mode, cash, carrier, DHL, departure time. All right, destination, Baran, pickup time, Courier, mode, quantity, total freight, career reference number, place of origin, pickup date, expected delivery date, comment, okay. So after putting all of those information, you come back here and click publish. Oh, they said email address is not valid, so let's put something else there. Hmm. Alright, so let's hit on publish again. And boom, our shipment, our consignment has been created. So let me copy this and let me go and track it and let us see what is going to show. So let's go back and visit the site. Alright, so let's go to track package. Alright, so let's click here and click on track. And boom, our tracking is ready. This is the invoice. Alright, this is the invoice. Alright, but we're missing something out. We're missing the shipment here. So we'll go back and set up the shipment history. So let's go back to dashboard. Alright, so let's go back to shipment. All shipment. Let's go back to edit, or let's click on this. Right, let's click on edit. So let's come here and select this date, today's date, location, select type, on hold, remarks, click on update. You can see that that is added here. Shipment history has been added. So when we track the order now, we will also see that the shipment history has been added successfully. So let's go back and let me show you it. So let's go to track package. So let's track the package once again. Great. So our package is completely done. Alright, so you can see shipment history, Amsterdam, on hold, admin, payments needed. Alright, so this is how you can create your courier delivery shipping logistics website in under 2 hours and send it to your clients and charge them from 90 to 150,000. So you can do this. If imagine doing this 2 or 3 in a month, that is clean 400,000 naira for you. All right. So how are you going to get access to this website? You can use the link on my description. You can see the link on my description. Click on the link and you can get access to this website. So you quickly upload it to your domain and hosting, and do as I have said, as I have shown you on this video, and you will have your site made by yourself. So this can make you a lot of money, and it can also save you a lot of money if you're making it for yourself. All right, so remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember to click the notification button. Remember to like and also share this video and comment. Also come to my WhatsApp number, come to my WhatsApp link and ask me any question if you have any. All right, so peace out. Thank you.